Last week we came on and announced our first family trip in almost 2 years. We announced that we're going to be going to Disney World in Florida, and we couldn't be more thrilled. So we're going to give you our itinerary so that way you can fill in any gaps if we're missing anything, or if you have any recommendations, let us know.
For starters, we are leaving early, Saturday the 13th. So excited to fly there and get there at a decent hour where we can explore a little bit, let the kids kind of relax from an afternoon of traveling, and then be able to be well rested and jump into the magic the next day.
The second day is Valentine's Day. We were able to snag some last minute reservations for a dinner at Sanaa, one of the only restaurants that's open on Animal Kingdom property right now. So that goes for both Jumbo and for Kidani. So super excited for that. I haven't eaten there before. If you've eaten at Animal Kingdom, let me know what to get. I like meat. I'll eat anything. Who am I kidding?
And if you have any suggestions maybe for kids or picky eaters, we have one. So starting on the 15th, that will be our first day in the park. That's Animal Kingdom. Then we follow it up with Epcot, Hollywood, Magic Kingdom, and we repeat it again.
So as far as Animal Kingdom goes, we only have one reservation. That'll be on our second time there. We got a Yak and Yeti reservation, and I know you're excited for this one.
Yeah, it's gonna be really good.
I'm excited just solely on the reviews for this place. Everybody that I've ever talked to that's eaten there has absolutely enjoyed it.
The salmon sounds good. I'm a sucker for curry. I think the kids will love the atmosphere too. So it'll be really fun.
We don't have any reservations as of right now for Epcot. Mainly that's because of the Festival of Arts. We have a lot going on there, a lot of food booths to try.
As far as food goes, for Hollywood Studios, we're gonna try the sci-fi restaurant. It gives the feel of a drive-in, but with a restaurant. So we'll have some fun old shows playing while we're enjoying food. I think it'll be really fun.
Some amazing burgers from what I hear.
We also have 2 reservations at Oga's Cantina. Not only has Robert gone and loved it, but
that's why we're going twice, because it's that good.
I've got to experience this. Okay, I've got to try these different colored milks. I got to try these cocktails. I got to try that cookie thing on top. I have to try it all, and I can't do it in one sitting. So
DJ Rex?
We're going to do it twice.
Yeah, I'm really excited for that one too.
I'm rooting for the breakfast to come back for the breakfast Ronto wrap.
Yeah, and they just recently announced that they're extending hours while we're there. So again, another reason to be excited. We get to go for longer. And that'll also give us a chance, maybe since we're going to be there for 10 days, to maybe take a break in the middle of the day and go enjoy the resort a little bit.
As for activities, the kids are really excited for these.
Kids are super excited. We went ahead and got Laurel a reservation at the Droid Depot. She's been saving up her allowance money and working really hard, and she has her mind set on a droid. And Jackson, again, just like Laurel, has been really saving up his dollars and dimes. He really wants to build his own lightsaber.
Savi's.
So we do have a reservation for him at Savi's workshop. He has it all planned out. We're very excited to watch them both do that. Emily didn't get to watch Jackson build his droid, so I think Emily will go along with Laurel when she builds her droid, and I'll go tag along with Jackson as he's building his lightsaber.
For Magic Kingdom, we have one table service that we have reservations for. That's actually on our last day. Ever since Robert and I went, the kids have heard about and have wanted to try the gray stuff. So we're bookending our trip with a lunch reservation at Be Our Guest to let the kids try that gray stuff and see if it's delicious.
Oh yeah. From what I remember, this is the one that I do remember going, because I remember going and getting their, I think it was a ribeye, and my favorite cut of meat, and I just remember it being amazing.
Huge.
Yeah, and huge. And I understand that it's been taken away from the menu. I know there's a lot of mixed reviews out there on Be Our Guest right now, and whether it's worth the money or not, we'll let you know what we think when we come back. But we're excited to try it, and I know this was kind of one of those, we got to do it for the kids. It's one of those every once in a while experiences. Let the kids experience this. Let them enjoy it. Especially Laurel. You know, she's 5. That's a really good age for princesses. So being in the Beast Castle and the possibility of seeing even Belle, that'd be really fun. So,
yeah. I might sneak off. I think it's at Gaston's Tavern, but they have the gray stuff cupcake right now, which does look really good. I am not a cake fan, not a cupcake fan, but I am willing to try that cupcake.
Yeah.
Just to compare.
Yeah, while she's getting the cupcake, I am looking forward to that cinnamon roll. Yes, I'm getting the cinnamon roll. So now that we've talked about our park reservations, we do have some resort reservations. So we're going to venture off to other resorts. Our second half of the stay is going to be at Copper Creek. We got 2 dining reservations for Whispering Canyon.
So on different days, we have reservations for breakfast and also for dinner. So we can try different menus and see how we like it.
Yeah. I've heard really good things about both the breakfast and the dinner menu.
Breakfast, I've heard the most about.
Yeah.
About those skillets.
The skillets, yeah. Also, we did get a reservation over at the Contemporary.
Yeah, Chef Mickey's for breakfast.
Yeah.
Hopefully the kids can have a little bit of interaction with characters. No hugs or autographs, but that might be good for Evie, having a little distance.
Yeah, this is Evelyn's first exposure to characters, so I'm kind of anxious to see how she does. This will probably be the closest she gets to characters, as in the parks right now it's pretty much all cavalcades or you're waving to them from afar. So I think at the breakfast they'll probably be the closest, even though they won't be close. They'll probably
But they'll interact and
they'll wave and take a selfie or whatever. So we'll see how this goes. This is gonna be interesting.
She loves Mickey and Minnie, and she's always pointing them out. So it'll be interesting to see her reaction when there is a moving character in front of you, looking at you, waving. We'll see if she gets excited, a little scared, a little nervous. So it'll be fun.
On our transfer day between checkout and check-in of Animal Kingdom and Copper Creek, we did snag a reservation for Beaches and Cream over at the Beach Club. Oh, I'm so excited for that
high.
one. Yeah, really excited for this one. This one's going to be so good. Ever since I heard of this thing called the kitchen sink, I was like, oh, we got to try that. So, if you don't know what the kitchen sink is, it's a massive kitchen sink full of ice cream. All the toppings that they have there and tons of ice cream. They say it's recommended for 4 people or more, but from what I understand, most people don't even finish it.
So that about wraps it up for our park and resort reservations. It's gonna be a full 2 weeks. We've never taken a family trip for 2 weeks. I've never taken 2 weeks off of work.
Yeah.
So I don't
Same.
even know
Same.
if I will make it back or if I'm just gonna like run off in Florida. I don't know.
Never taken 2 weeks off, never been in the park for 10 days in a row. We're gonna have to take breaks. I don't know any other way to do it, because that's just so much time on your feet. There's so much fun to be had at the resorts too, so I definitely don't want to leave any of that out. On the 26th, we're going to go ahead and wrap our adventure up and go home.
If you've eaten at any of the restaurants that we have reservations at, go ahead and give us a comment. I would personally love to hear your favorite meals. Maybe it's an appetizer or a drink I can get there. Something for the kids, something for the carnivore, you know.
Or if there's something that we didn't mention that you feel like we would like, let us know.
We've got time. We could maybe sneak in a reservation here or there.
Two. With the walk-up reservations now, who knows? So let us know what you think, if there's a place that you think we should try, or some food that you think we would like as well.
Don't forget to give us a like. Also, go check out our last post about what the kids are most excited for, what we're looking forward to most. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really helps our channel grow, and we are excited to have you along for the ride. Thank you all for watching, and remember, adventure is out there.
So don't just fly, soar.